Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone with a septic system: the Tuf-Tite Septic Tank Riser. If you're looking to upgrade your septic setup, stay tuned because we've got the scoop on why this might just be the best 24x6 septic tank riser on the market. Now, what makes the Tuf-Tite Septic Tank Riser stand out? Well, first off, it's built tough. Made from durable materials, it's designed to withstand the elements and the test of time. This isn't just any ordinary riser. It's engineered for durability, with a sturdy build that ensures it won't crack or degrade easily. One of the standout features of this riser is its stackable design. You can add height in 6-inch increments, which gives you flexibility depending on your septic tank's depth. Whether you need a little extra height or a lot, this riser has you covered. Installation is a breeze too. It's designed to be easy to set up, even if you're not a professional plumber. That's a big plus because who wants to spend hours struggling with installation, right? You're getting a high-quality product that's built to last, and it won't break the bank. Plus, considering the potential costs of not maintaining your septic system properly, investing in a reliable riser like this is a smart move for any homeowner. How does it stack up against the competition? Well, when you compare it to other risers in its class, the Tuf-Tite stands out for its robust construction and user-friendly design. Some cheaper options might save you a few bucks up front, but they often lack the durability and performance that you get with this one. So, if you're in the market for a septic tank riser that ticks all the boxes: durability, ease of installation, and great value, the Tuf-Tite Septic Tank Riser is definitely worth considering. It's no surprise why it's a top choice among homeowners looking to upgrade their septic systems. Thanks for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews and tips. See you next time.